By popular demand, multiply your ecstasy with a mind-blowing high-intensity Snow Bunny stimulator from California Exotic Novelties. The Snow Bunny's high-intensity multi-speed vibrating bullet may be used alone or with the removable dual-action soft and supple bunny teaser sleeve for full coverage stimulation. Feel the intense dual-action teasing bunny ears as they caress and stimulate various body parts. It's time you find out why it was voted the #1 bunny arouser. To begin exploring your Snow Bunny, slide the battery compartment open on the power pack by pushing on the ridge tab and pulling it away from the controller. Flip up the lid and insert 2 new AA batteries, making sure to follow the plus and minus directions inside. Fold the lid back down and secure the cover by pushing it back into the controller until it clicks. You will find the multi-speed dial at your fingertips, which controls the multi-speed vibrations. Slide the high-intensity bullet into the bunny teaser sleeve, and you're ready to experience some high-powered stimulation. The Snow Bunny has a powerful multi-speed power pack, a soft, flexible, safe and pure, unscented, hygienically superior removable TPR bunny sleeve that measures 3 3/4 inches long and 1 inch wide, and a vibrating bullet made from safe and pure, durable ABS plastic that is 2 inches long and 1 inch wide. For maximum pleasure, always use a water-based lubricant or California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Lube. Clean your Snow Bunny teaser sleeve before and after each use with mild soap and warm water, or use our preferred California Exotic Novelties Universal brand toy cleaner. Do not submerge the bullet or the control pack, as they are not waterproof. Remember to remove the batteries when not in use to preserve their life and to maintain peak performance of your unit. Enjoy the powerful sensations of the high-intensity Snow Bunny, available in clear, pink, or purple. Only from California Exotic Novelties. Who else?